Hello, Suzanne Docobo here. When there is a new law that's passed that affects financial security of homeowners, I pay close attention. So today we're going to talk about the recent Florida law that's being talked about by property owners across the country that say, finally, Florida has cracked down on squatters. So what was the problem? For years, property owners across America have faced a nightmare scenario. Their property is left vacant. Maybe you're a snowbird. Maybe you're in between renters. Maybe you're in the middle of a remodel. Maybe it's a vacation home. Then somebody moves in without permission. Then the police show up. The person that moved in claims they're a tenant. They claim they have a lease. Then the police contact the owner and say, this is a civil matter. Then you're hiring attorneys. Then you're going to court. Then you're paying legal fees, all while someone else is living in your property. Sound crazy? Well, Florida property owners did too. So in 2024, Governor Ron DeSantis signed House Bill 621 into law, which created a process for the sheriff to assist in removal of unauthorized persons from a residential rental property. This law was effective July 1st, 2024, and it is one of the strongest anti-squatter laws in the entire country. What changed? Before this law passed, you'd have to go through a lengthy court process to get the squatter out. It would take time. Obviously, time is money. You're still paying your property taxes, your insurance, your bills, or this or that. So really, in effect, it's really money out of your pocket. Now, that process does not create a tenant relationship. So now those unauthorized persons can be removed from your property with the process along with the sheriff. Now, what this didn't change is the removal of actual tenants from the property. So if you have someone who has a legitimate lease or has a dispute from a prior lease or has established a landlord-tenant relationship, this does not apply to them. This only applies to people who have illegally accessed the property. So to repeat, this does not apply to people that are protected under the Landlord-Tenant Act. It's an exclusion to that for unauthorized illegal occupants only. In addition to this, the law has also created new criminal penalties. So if somebody is providing false information, creating fake leases, or doing damage to the property, now this is additionally a criminal offense. And in many cases, it can construe a felony. So this is also a very, very strong addition to the law to protect homeowners. As an investor myself, I'm constantly looking at risk. Investments always have some risk. So when I look at this law in Florida, it's very advantageous that now this is another risk that has not completely been eliminated from somebody unauthorized accessing your property, but it's a lot easier to get them out. What should property owners do? Keep documentation about ownership on hand. Also, if there's an unauthorized person in your property, document that. Understand the difference between the landlord-tenant relationship and what a squatter is. That's a very important distinction. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in Florida, please give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.